Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can use SignalRGB. The first thing that you want to do is to make sure that your device is compatible with the application. So let's head over to signalrgb.com/devices. From here you can then search your device. So in my case I'm using Red Dragon. I'll type it right here. And then you want to make sure that you have the right model listed on the website. You can also look for keyboards, mice, main boards, and more. From there, heading back to the application, you want to make sure that your device is connected by heading over to the devices option. And from here, you then want to click on Pulse device to confirm that it's connected. So the next thing that you want to do is to click on the Open in Layouts button. And basically from here, you can then design this the way you want to. For example, we have multiple effects that you can add on your device. You can download effects right here if you want to. So let's go ahead and click something like Neon Shift. And from there, this will then apply this effect into my device. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.